In this video, we'll take a look at how you can use our point of sale feature to enhance your business. You'll find it very useful if you accept payments in person or deposits. It can also be used to create and track sales, all in a neat mobile-friendly interface. Let's start by navigating to the custom features page of your SimplyBook.me account to enable the point of sale feature. Use the available link or choose Go to POS from the Booking Channel dropdown to access the point of sale interface. Click the button to create a new sale or choose a client from the list on the right. If you've just completed a service that was booked beforehand and would like to charge your client for it, or charge the remaining amount if you're using deposits, simply locate the associated transaction in its respective tab and click on it to go to checkout. Your client can add extra items, redeem their coupon or gift card, add a tip, and use credits from a package if applicable. Press the checkout button to specify the payment method, charge a vaulted card if the client has one saved, or send them the payment link so they can complete the payment on their phone, for example. Last but not least, we would like to point out that we do not store the credit card details. This data is only stored with the payment processor. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel as well as follow our social media pages below. Thank you for choosing SimplyBook.me.